Hey, what's going on guys? This is a very quick video where I'm going to explain what is factorial. This is a question that I've received 2 times actually, and I'm going to demonstrate that on my new tool here, Haskell. Haskell is a fantastic programming language that was created by mathematicians. So the syntax design itself is very beautiful. First of all, let me explain what is factorial. Factorial is a mathematical operation that you perform on a number in order to find the product of all positive integers up to that number. So let me give you an example. If I want to know the factorial of 5, first it should be written this way, exclamation mark and then 5. So this is actually the number for which I want to know the factorial. So in this case, the factorial of 5 is going to be 120, which means 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. And here's another example. The factorial of 3 is 6, which is 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. So factorial essentially represents the multiplication of all positive integers up to a given number. So let me show you how to create a factorial function in Haskell. So I'm going to type factorial, and with the type annotation integer. This actually means that we're declaring a function called factorial, and it takes an integer as an argument and returns an integer as an output. Then we need the base case for our factorial. So the base case for the factorial here, and to do that, I'm going just to type factorial 0 is equal to 1. And this line simply specifies the base case of the factorial function. The factorial of 0 is defined to be 1. And now I want to define the recursive case. If you don't know what is recursion, I will leave a link in the description for a YouTube video made by Professor Brailsford in Computerphile YouTube channel. And Professor Brailsford actually explains it very well. So I highly recommend that you watch this video. So this line factorial n equals to n multiplied by factorial n minus 1. Here we define the recursive case. So this simply states that the factorial of n is n multiplied by the factorial of n minus 1. So what happens is that this function will call itself recursively until it reaches the base case. And the main function that we have is of a type IO, indicating that it performs input-output actions, taking an input and producing an output. And then finally we are calculating the factorial of 5 using the factorial function while printing the result to the console using the print function. And now let's go ahead and run our program. Factorial of 5 is indeed 120. I hope this mathematical operation of factorial is clear to you now, guys, in mathematics and also using Haskell programming language. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay safe and be well. See you later, guys.